Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the length of quick capture recordings on your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Sharing and Broadcasts. Now open Video Clip Settings. Select Length of Video Clip and then change it to your desired length between 30 seconds and 1 hour. You can now choose from 4 different types of themes. You can choose between 3 default effects: Flow, Jewel and Particle. You can also select Custom to design your own theme, or select Browse PlayStation Store to download themes.